Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
GitUp streamlines updating your Git branch with a simple single command. Install it using Homebrew, npm, or your package manager of choice. For Mac OS, use Homebrew and run. Brew install GitUp to install locally. For Node users, run npm install GGitUp to install globally. After installation, verify with GitUp version to confirm a working release. GitUp wraps git fetch and git rebase operations to keep history clean and linear. This guide covers basic usage, common flags, and safe workflows. Run GitUp to fetch origin and rebase your current branch onto its upstream. The command executes git fetch, then git rebase to produce a linear history. Use GitUp origin master to update your branch against origin/master explicitly when needed. Add auto stash to GitUp to store local changes temporarily during rebases. Add NoFF or other rebase options in your workflow when you need specific merge behavior. Practice on a feature branch before using GitUp in production branches to be safe. If conflicts occur during a GitUp rebase, Git pauses for manual resolution of files. Resolve conflicted files, stage them, and run git rebase. Continue to finish the rebase. To abort a problematic rebase, run git rebase abort to return to the previous state. Use GitUp no auto stash if you prefer manual stash control during updates rather than automatic stashing. Create an alias like git config global alias. Up auto stash to shorten repetitive commands. Test aliases and workflows locally before relying on them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.